In his observations of the deeper levels of the unconscious psyche of individual persons, Jung encountered the frequently observed fact that when there is a constellation of archetypal contents, events with the same meaning tend to occur in the outer world. These so-called coincidences are more than just a coincidence, to the extent that they exhibit a meaning equivalent to the inner psychic unconscious content that has been activated. Jung termed this class of events synchronicity phenomena, since the connection between them does not seem to be causal but is indicated by their meaning and relative simultaneity. This discovery of Jung's leads to the postulation that the reality which we seek introspectively to describe as the collective unconscious might be the same unknown and unrecognizable reality that atomic physics seeks to describe from the outside as material reality. Therefore, Jung even asserted that he would have no objection to regarding the psyche as a quality of matter and matter as a concrete aspect of the psyche, provided that the psyche was understood to be the collective unconscious. Synchronistic events thus seem to point towards a unitary aspect of existence which transcends our conscious grasp and which Jung has called the Unus Mundus. But while the term denotes a metaphysical concept in these medieval speculations, Jung discovered that the synchronistic phenomena provide empirical evidence for the existence of such an Unus Mundus. He then added the most important statement that the mandala is the psychological equivalent and synchronicity the parapsychological equivalent of the Unus Mundus. In the historical traditions of many nations, we find attempts to unite simultaneously the above-mentioned two aspects, mandala and synchronicity, and thus to invent a sort of cybernetic device by which people hope to contact the absolute knowledge. The base known symbol of this kind is the astrological horoscope.